how are you? Hope everyone well. In this video I am going to unbox Huawei Nova 3E phone. This phone got which specification, like how configuration. In this video I am going to unbox all the configuration about this.
So guys, to get new videos, subscribe our channel and press notification bell icon and stay with our channel. This is a sealed box for Huawei Nova 3E. Now I am trying to take the phone first, and I open the phone. This one dazzle blue color. Actually this color is very nice. Then I am trying to see another which one. This one warranty card, this one's buying receipt, and that got one manual book which got all the specification, all the system of this phone. This one charger, and this one data cable, which one used for charge also, for data transfer also. This one SIM eject pin. By this we can insert SIM also, eject also. Then guys, now I am trying to switch on this phone. So we want to see the configuration of this phone. Huawei Nova 3E. This phone is a bigger screen, looks something also like iPhone X. Phone backside also so nice. Dual camera, one LED flashlight, fingerprint, got backside. Huawei. Phone already opened. Actually this phone's display color quality really awesome. You can see the display color quality, fully bright color quality. From Google also have everything. Now I am going to show in another video. I want to show the camera performance of Huawei Nova 3E, because if I want to show in this video will be so much longer. Then guys, nobody want to see this video. So guys, now I want to show the performance of this Huawei phone. Okay, then I want to go to settings, then system, and about phone. Now I want to show you the configuration of Huawei Nova 3E. This one got Android version 8.0, EMUI version 8.0, IMEI, MEID CPU, high silicon Kirin, 650 RAM, 4 GB, phone storage 128 GB, something like a small computer. The screen is bigger. Okay guys, security and privacy, fingerprint ID face unlock. That is a best function of this phone, face unlock. In a second you can unlock your phone by your face. You just see to camera, this phone will be unlocked. Like you just see your face, you just see your phone will be unlocked automatic.